In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change background color in Constant Contact. To begin, open Constant Contact and go to the email you want to edit. You will need to open that email in the editor because background colors are controlled from the design settings inside the editing experience. Once the editor loads, take a moment to confirm you are working on the correct email version, since any design changes you make will apply to this layout. Next, look to the left-hand panel inside the editor and click the Design tab. This is where Constant Contact groups the settings that affect the overall look and feel of your email, such as fonts, colors, and spacing. The Design tab is different from editing individual blocks of content because it controls the global styling that helps your email feel consistent from top to bottom. After you are in the Design tab, find the section labeled Background and click it to expand the options. Expanding this section reveals the controls you need for changing the background colors. Keep your attention on this panel as you adjust colors, because it is easy to confuse background styling with the color settings for specific text or buttons. Now you will see two important color pickers, outer background and inner background. Start with outer background. Use the outer background color picker to change the area outside the email body. This is the space that frames your email, usually visible around the main content container. Choosing a subtle neutral color here can make the email body stand out and can help the design look clean in different inboxes. Then use the inner background color picker to change the color behind your content. This affects the main area where your text, images, and sections sit. As you pick an inner background color, aim for strong readability. Make sure your text and buttons still have clear contrast so your message stays easy to scan. As you make each change, watch the email preview update so you can confirm the overall look. Once both background colors match your intended style, you are finished. And that is all there is to it.